Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2019 Infiniti Q50 LUXE all-wheel drive of Essential package that we have for sale. If you're in the market for a nice sport luxury sedan, the Q50 is an excellent choice. Built and assembled in Japan, features amazing build quality. I've been with Infiniti close to 18 years. I own 2 Infiniti products myself. I'm a big fan of Infiniti, and the Q50 is one awesome product. This particular one is an off-lease vehicle that we recently acquired. The customer turned it in at our dealership with his lease being completed, and we have first dibs at buying it from Infiniti before they send it to auction. Of course, why would we not buy this beautiful 2019 Q50 all-wheel drive, especially with new cars in such short supply. We only have like 5 new Infinitis on our lot, believe it or not. 2 years ago we had 100 new Infinitis, so used cars are more important than ever, so we're happy to have this addition to our inventory. This one is nicely equipped with features of the Essential package, giving the essential features like navigation. We also have power front seats and heated front seats. We also have a heated steering wheel. You may notice that the Q50 has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a drive mode selected that will make changes to transmission, shift points, steering effort, traction, and stability control settings. You have Snow, Eco, Standard, Sport, and you can personalize it. If you do wish to personalize it, you have another menu right here in the dual display system where you can drill down a little bit deeper. You can personalize the settings for the engine and transmission, steering. Active trace control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. We have a moonroof. We have an automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, nice leather up steering wheel. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes, so it goes up and down and in and out. 42,933 miles at the time of making this video. This one has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. In fact, who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. We have all-season mats, beautiful shape, a really nice color combination of black on graphite leatherette. The Q50 comes standard with rear-wheel drive. The Q50 is built on a balanced rear-wheel drive platform. It's a sports car platform, also shared with a Nissan 370Z sports car. All-wheel drive is optional. This has the intelligent all-wheel drive system. It's called a TASA, which stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. We've been using this all-wheel drive system for about over 20 years in our Infiniti products. It's actually derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. It's a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system, so it will improve your performance. It won't just improve your traction in wet, slippery conditions, but it will improve your performance even in the dry. You'll notice you'll be able to slingshot through corners, get the power a little bit earlier on corners with this amazing all-wheel drive system, and it'll slingshot you right through. Nice big trunk. We have the carpeted mats back there, and we have a cargo area protector. The reason why the all-wheel drive system is intelligent is when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will be 100% rear-wheel drive, like in conditions like this. But as soon as those rear wheels start slipping, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Excuse me. For an engine, we have a twin-turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. The Q50 is built on the advanced I can't talk today. Let's try this again. It's built in the advanced front midship platform. The reason why they call it that is they take the engine, they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, giving it as perfect 50-50 weight distribution as possible, so the vehicle rotates on its axis a little bit better, improving the handling and feel through the corners. There we go. Sometimes I just need to slow down. I have a tendency to talk too fast. Well, there we have it, this beautiful 2019 Q50 LUXE all-wheel drive with Essential package. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.